How to use the app. Start the app and select the door you would like to use. You will have to download the door the first time. First you will see a 3D preview of the door. There's a menu on the right side where you can select the color of the door. You can also perform a door movement by clicking on the button. You can use the door model in two ways. You can put it on table or you can create a life-size model. Both buttons are located at the bottom of the screen. Let's start with the door on the table. Activate the view by clicking on Table. Hold your device steady. Scan the surface in front of you slowly to find reference points. You can place the model of the door as soon as the white circle indicator is showing up. Click on Tap to place object. Use your fingers to change the door size, to rotate the door, or click on the door model to perform a movement. It's very easy. If the circle indicator does not show up, please use the reload button and try it again. Now let's have a look at a life-size model. The procedure is the same, but now you can scan the floor in front of you. You can place the model of your door as soon as the white circle indicator is showing up. Use your fingers, move the door in position to rotate the door or click on the door model to perform a movement. Soon there will be a capture screen button available to take a photo. Now you are ready to use the augmented reality app from Record. Have fun! If it does not work, please ask your Record partner for the Get Started manual, which includes a list of all supported devices and a step-by-step manual and images.